Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today with what started as a battery test between the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. Unfortunately, the test didn't ended up as expected. Both cameras were recording in 4K 60 frames per second with stabilization turned on and using a 128GB V30 memory card. After about 33 minutes recording, the GoPro Hero 7 Black showed a temperature warning and shut it down. The battery was still at 43% of its capacity. At around 37 minutes also the Osmo Pocket turned off because of overheating. It had 45% of the battery at that point. So what have I learned with this test? That you probably won't be able to discharge a complete battery on this cameras on a single use, because both will probably overheat. The Osmo Action recorded for a little longer and still had more battery after that, which lets me expect that it will at least have a slightly longer battery life. But I will have to do another test to check that out.